My people, no be small thing o. They say kasala don burst for inside Imo State. As the people don take the law into their hand with the help of the police and the other security force. Go the place where the Fulani and the Hausa quarter for inside Owerri, where they do so many operations. They buy people. They kidnap people for inside Imo State. No be small thing they say they recover from that side though. Things are really happening. My people, as they talk that one, they say that Ijele, we una know, we call himself the king of the game. They say the guy don't return back. He say he no go gree. The first video we come drop, come give people they tell say the Ebuka be. He say the man, he say he no be a better person. I go allow you, may you watch the video and hear wetin this Ijele talk for this video. My people, things are really going on inside Nigeria as we dey talk. We will play the videos, come show you one after the other. Stay tuned.
Hello, grand rising, my people. Today is Monday, June 30, 2025. This is your brother once again, the king of the game. Yeah, Ijele speaks. I'm wishing us the best of the new working week. I love you all. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for your messages. Thanks for your prayers. Thanks for your supplications. Thanks for every help from each and every person. I want you to know that I love each and every single one of you. Very soon I'm going to tell you people a thing and two about what has been going on. Forget everything they've been saying, be it Ebuka, be Ezekiah, or the other people they've been mentioning, the politicians, some mentioned people like, they told me, we're saying Bianco Juku, guys, as always, I'm not going to say what I don't have any evidence to back up. Be that as it may, we are going to keep doing what we are doing. We are going to revealing names, and some people have been saying that I should change a thing or two. I've had some time to, take a sober reflection, take stock of what I've done, where I was at the time of the thinking, and what I'm going to do moving forward. As that aside, I'm going to keep doing it differently, and by differently I mean if I was using one basket of Sokoto pepper, I'm now going to be using 5 cano pepper, 16 cartons of Ose and Suka. So you know what to expect and what's to come. I love you all. Vote for me. See you soon. You understand, my people? We need to tell these people the truth. Like, for how long are we going to sit back and what? You say mention them now. Which name? Ebuka be where they mounted. You no get power now. Ebuka be no get power. And no be Matthias where they talk one baby virgin. You no get power past President Tinubu where then they call his name. Ebuka be na nobody. So make them investigate him too. Okay? Make them investigate them too. Now go they put them for trouble. The one where you enter never come out. They never go, they no one come court to. All the people arranging teenagers and them TT baby. Osima Bonafa, Ebafe Megan, Omemem, or Natago Nko Garaga. Yes. If I come and say, intif this thing, and they say you notify, tell them, people they here they watch. Potan, all those politicians where they use, and now I want to see all of them. Now I want to see all. They say no limit they look for them. They know people where they look for them. Now they wait. I want to see all of them. They will come out.
My people, no be small thing o, as una don hear am, as Ijele take talk am for that video say Ebuka Obi him be arrange man. He call im name come outside say nothing dey happen. Cause wetin people dey talk for comment section or dey say e be like say that place wey im dey, im get better contract for inside. That's why he still come outside dey talk make dey carry am go back again. As that one dey happen, let us bring the video of how wetin Fulanis dey do for inside Imo State and how God take use thunder buy Fulani's cow and even the person wey carry the cow join. Stay tuned and watch the videos.
My people, this one dey happen live now for Old Road naked here Owerri by the bridge here. Now here where these Kaduna boys and the Fulani boys they hide they from the Attâck people of Imo State, they rob them, they kidnap them. Police in combination of the Intraco Owerri don't enter here today, scatter them, scatter all their houses, recover so many AK-47, so many things, so many weapons from them where they carry the Attâck people. Thank God to the government of Imo State. It happen live for now. Now here where these Fulani boys and the so-called Kaduna boys, then they hide everything where they steal from Imo, then they kidnap people, keep here with their ammunitions. Police don't recover so many ammunitions here, so many weapons where they recover from them here. See as police and the Intraco don't scatter them. I beg you, una don't try, Imo people, una don't try, una the thing where they happen live we here for Old Road naked now. You see as everywhere there, Intraco don't scatter all their hiders. Police scatter all their hiders. Now here where they rob people, they keep everything where they steal from Imo people. Oh, my brother, make una share this video, make everybody see what thing they happen for this Owerri. Thank you.
Oh boy, so Thunder na do this thing oh. See wetin Thunder do here oh, oga. Just kill everybody here. Just kill cow, kill many cow, kill these two aboki now. Two aboki down. Oga, see wetin happen today here oh. I never see this kind of thing in my life. Now today be the first time wey my eye witness this thing. Oga, I never see this thing before. See where Thunder strike, kill all these cows. See, hey, Oga, look at. Oga, look at. Look at what we see today. Oga.
My people, they say that when the gods of the land is very angry, he go stand up, go fight for himself. Now, I want to play this video. If you're an Igbo man, one of our brothers don't come outside, come bring message, give the Igbo, say at this time is a time you have to be proud of yourself. Stay tuned and watch the video.
If you're an Igbo man out there, right, this is the time for you to be very proud of yourself. I mean, every ethnic group is so envious of your success as an Igbo man that they cannot do without talking about Igbos. Now, if you think that everybody that come out to oppose your imperialistic, expansionist ideology of trying to impose your ownership in Niger Delta region, you must be insane. Now, before I get to the video, right, let me just say this to this young man. Guy, on a normal day, you supposed to fear now. Now you they address me, now you they wear masks. You supposed to fear now. Men go see men, men go observe men now. I've told you people, in this Niger Delta, una no get level. None of una will get level. From that your so-called empire down, una no get level. And una no go ever get level. You cannot come to this region and bring your stupidity down here. It's unacceptable. Now let me tell you this. If there is any ethnic group that is indigenous to the South and Niger Delta region, it's the Igbos. And one of the examples to prove that is the Igbo language and dialect largely spoken by various tribes and ethnic groups across the Niger Delta region in places like Ika, Anyoma, Igbeche, Ikwere, Ogba, and some other parts of Cross River. All these people have Igbo ancestry. And if you like, shout from now to tomorrow, it's never going to change that. Igbo people are far greater than you in many ways you can never comprehend, and that is the fact. So I suggest you invest your time into doing something important in your life than coming out here to insult people that are better than you.